In the golden land of Persia, a great warrior named Sam ruled. He had everything except a son to carry on his legacy. One day, his wish came true. A baby boy was born, and the kingdom rejoiced until they saw the child's unusual hair. The baby's hair was pure white, like mountain snow. People feared it. They whispered it was a bad omen. Even Sam began to doubt. Could this strange-looking child really be his future? Or was fate playing a cruel trick? The queen held her baby tight, begging Sam to love him. But Sam, torn by fear, could not listen to his heart. Sam made a painful choice. He carried the baby into the wild mountains far from the palace and left him alone. Snow fell, winds howled, and the baby cried alone. But the sky was watching, and destiny was already in motion. Tiny and helpless, Zal lay under a tree. But this was not the end. His story was just beginning. His cries echoed through the mountains and reached the heart of a being as ancient as time itself. From her nest above the clouds, the Simurgh heard the baby's voice. She spread her glowing wings and soared down. She found him, cold, alone, and unloved. But she saw no curse, she saw promise. She saw her child. She wrapped him in her golden feathers, lifting him high into the sky. From that moment, he was no longer alone. Zal grew in the Simurgh's nest. She fed him, protected him, and taught him the secrets of nature and life. While others feared him, the Simurgh loved him. In her care, he found strength, wisdom, and a sense of belonging. Years passed. Zal became tall, brave, and wise. He was not just strong, he was kind, clever, and thoughtful. One day the Simurgh said, "Your journey continues below." She gave him a magical feather, her promise to always help. With the feather close to his heart, Zal left the mountains to return to the world that once rejected him. He entered the palace, proud and calm. Sam saw him and knew this was no cursed child. This was his son. The kingdom celebrated. Zal had returned, not with shame, but with honor. The people welcomed him with joy and pride. He was no longer the boy with strange hair. He was Zal, the wise, the strong, the one who had risen above fear. That night, Zal looked up at the stars and held the golden feather. He whispered thanks to the sky that raised him. Above the mountains, the Simurgh still flew. She watched over him with pride, knowing he had found his place. True strength comes from love, not fear. Zal's story reminds us we all have something special inside us. Never hide it. True strength comes from love, not fear. Zal's story reminds us we all have something special inside us. Never hide it.